get this started. We're gonna be starting with our already cooked shrimp. And then you're gonna kind of spread them around your dish to make sure it's all distributed evenly. And we're gonna go in with some already melted butter. Oh, I don't know about you, but I love a buttery shrimp. They are so good. Yum. Next, we're gonna go in with some chopped up veggies.
Ooh, this looks good.
Doesn't it? Now we're gonna bring in some whole garlic. You can kind of sprinkle some throughout. If you like a lot of garlic, by all means, feel free to add as much as you would like. There we go.
That smells so good.
And now we've got some half and half.
Ooh.
This is gonna be a perfect sauce. All right, that should be enough.
So creamy.
Now, I went ahead and got some diced up onions, and we're gonna add that all over.
Those smells are incredible. I can't wait to see what you're making.
It's a surprise. Now we're gonna get some parsley.
Ooh.
And chop, chop, chop.
Oh, those colors.
Perfect. We've got some lemon.
Ooh. There's so much flavor happening in this.
This is gonna be quite the mouthful.
Such an easy dinner.
Super easy and quick and fun for everyone. Some more garlic.
Ooh.
Just a little bit of sprinkle.
Always need good seasoning.
Absolutely. And we've got some black pepper. And lastly, we're gonna add a little bit of salt.
Yummy.
Ooh, now for a spoon to mix all of this up.
Oh, it's gonna be so creamy.
Look at all of that mixing up. Can you already taste it?
I'm so excited for this.
I am so excited for you guys to see the final product. Some Parmesan cheese to top this off.
Ooh. That's gonna add the perfect flavor.
Absolutely. Who doesn't love a dish with cheese? All right, and now that that is all on top, it's oven time.
Yay, I'm so excited.
But first, let's check out how groovy this looks in there. Oh,
Yeah, you can see the
yummy.
shrimp. Oh, I'm so excited.
It's gonna be delicious. So now we're gonna put it in the oven for 350 degrees for probably about 15 minutes.
So quick.
And let's go. Oh my God, look at how delicious that is.
That looks incredible.
That is so yummy. Look at all that cheese bubbling. But I bet you guys didn't think we've got another thing to add.
Ooh.
This is some already pre-cooked angel hair pasta, and you're just gonna add it to the mixture. Yes, I know I'm ruining that cheese, but it's gonna taste so good.
Oh, yes.
Yummy. And now I'm gonna take this little pasta spoon and mix it all up.
Ooh, this is
Yes.
so good. Oh my gosh, like the shrimp on that pasta.
It is gonna be amazing. Did you hear that sizzle? It's still cooking. Wow. Are you guys ready?
I'm so ready.
Let's
I want
see
to see you try this.
Plate. Scoop up some of that. Oh my god.
Whoa.
So good.
Ooh, we got the shrimp, the peas, carrots. Oh,
All
I
right.
can't wait.
So good.
It's good?
Delicious.
Oh my gosh, I want to bite.
All right. Open up.